Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and there you can see two mini Bluetooth speakers. This one is the DIY. I made it a few days back, and this thing is made out of foam board. You can see kind of square in shape, and this is the cheapest Bluetooth speaker that you have seen before. It's very lightweight, and this thing cost me around 150 rupees, and this thing cost me almost same, maybe less than that, to build the stuff and all the parts. So today I'm gonna do the sound comparison test between these two, and let's see which one sounds better. So this one didn't have the battery left, so I had to charge it. Let's turn this on. Bluetooth mode. So this one is connected now. Let's check some songs.
I see trees ripped from the ground, but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning, but I'm fine. No, I got nobody.
Alright, now let's check this one.
Bluetooth mode paired.
That said, 'cause more than people forget. In this crazy world I don't belong. I see fire burning, but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground, but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning, but I'm fine. No, I got nobody.
So you heard the difference between these two speakers. This thing, the sound is very light and very thin, and it hurts the ear. This thing has a like of a balance, the highs and the mids, all the stuff, and this thing is much more louder than that one, and also it has the, how do you can say, bass coming from this mini speakers. That's not bad either. So let's check some other songs.